Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Today I have come with you such a good topic. What you are asking, the topic is nothing but tangent and secant to a circle. Friends, just 2 minutes we are going to discuss literal information about this topic. Then after we will start the exercise questions. Yeah, what is tangent? Yes, tangent is derived from the Latin word tangere. Tangere. Yes, tangent. The word derived from Latin word tangere. Thomas Dekker, scientist, derived it. What is tangere? Touch, touch, touch it. What is secant? Yes, secant also derived from the same language, Latin. The meaning of secant is to cut, to cut. So the meaning of tangent and secant to a circle is nothing but touch the circle and cut that circle. This is the main meaning of this chapter only. Now, what is the definition of tangent? Tangent of a circle which touch the tangent to a circle which touch the circle at one place only. This is called tangent. Touch the circle at one place only. That is called tangent. Touch the circle at one place only, perpendicularly. Very important point. Yeah, I am telling the points also which I was covering with the concepts. నేను కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పేటప్పుడే ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్స్ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తున్నాను. కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. రైట్. If a tangent touch the circle at A, what is the angle it's make? 90 degree. That is called point of contact. If a tangent touch the circle, the making of angle is 90 degree. That angle is also called as point of contact. Overall, they should ask like this: at point of contact, what is the angle? 90 degree. Okay. Next, one more important property. In a circle, two parallel tangents will be possible. In a circle, how many parallel tangents will be possible? This is a circle. One pair of parallel or one pair. At most, two tangents will be we have to write. And one more important point. External point, from external point like this, how many tangents we should write? Two tangents. From external point P, we have to draw two tangents on circle. These two are must be equal. So these two tangents are must be equal. Now I have to cover one more important part. From the external point, the length of two tangents must be equal, right? And two radius also will be equal, and PAO equals to PBO and POA equals to POB. You see, this is a very important point I covered with you, right? This topic. Now, what about secant? Secant will intersect the circle to distinct places. This is called secant. Secant of a circle, infinite seconds will be possible. Infinite chord will be possible. Infinite radius will be possible. Infinite diameters will be possible. The longest chord in a circle is called diameter of a circle. This is an important point which we discussed in previous classes. Same like that, the secant will divide two places. The meaning of secant, to cut it. And friends, now come to the questions. In the figure, AB is the tangent. AB is the tangent to a circle with center O, such that OP equals to 4 cm. OPA is 30 degree. Then AP. Yes, this is also related to trigonometry question. Friends, here in the triangle OP, 90 degree point opposites value will be hypotenuse. We know very well. Now acute angle opposite side is one opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Here what is asking? AP is asking. AP means adjacent side. What is given? H given. H means hypotenuse. H by AS or AS by H, cos theta. So we should take cos theta, nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to the diagram, adjacent side is AP, H is OP, and with respect to the diagram, theta is 30. Here theta is 30 only. AS value will be AP and H hypotenuse will be 4. So I should substitute here, right? That is 4. Now cos 30 Yes, root 3 by 2. Very good. Root 3 by 2 is equals AB. We should find. This is 4 given. Now cross multiplication. 4 root 3 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So answer will be 2 root 3. Got it? Next. The angle in a semicircle. Yes, very important question. In a semicircle, the angle will be right angle. Very standard point of this question in geometry. The angle in a semicircle will be 90 degree. So where is it? Clear? Right. Means like this, you can see this is a semicircle. Here, what is the angle? This, what is the sum of these 90 degree? Okay. Next. The tangent P and PB from point P to a circle with center O incline each other at an angle of 80 degree, then PO. Yeah, what a beautiful question. See children, this is a circle, center O. PA, PB tangents from external point PA, PB. These two are tangents. Am I right? It is clear? Clear. Inclined, square 80 degree. This is a common side. This total value is 80 degree. Totally 80 degree. Then the other angle, what is the angle of POA? This is POA. POA. This is asking. You have, I no idea, you have an idea. You see children, point of contact. This is 90. Is clear. Total angle 80 will be there. It will be intersected twice. This is 40. This is 40. 40, 40, 80. This is 90, 40, 130. What is about this? 50. That's it. Answer is 50. Clear. Understand? Inclined by 80 degree means this value 40. Already point of contact idea I told you in concept area. 90 plus 40, 130 total 180. In the triangle 180 degree will be there. 180 minus 130, 50 we are getting. Right? Got it? Next. The number of parallel tangent to a circle. This is a circle. How many parallel tangents? 2 only. Either like this or like this. At most 2. The length of the answer will be 2. The length of the tangent to a circle with center 0 and radius is 6 cm from a point P outside of the circle such that OB equals 10 cm. Okay, beta. This diagram I should take it. OB 10. OB 10. This is okay. I should write for your better convenience. This is OP. OP 10 given. Radius 6 from here to here 6 given. And what is asking the length of tangent? This is he is asking this value. Simple, by using right angle triangle. Square of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse because 90 degree opposite side is hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. 6 square plus tangent length. He is asking tangent length only. 100 10 square 100. 6 square 36 plus 80 square. So AP square is equals 100 minus 36. Now AP square equals to 84. Now AP equals to root 84. A root 84 value? Yes, like these questions are coming in the exam. These 5 models enough for practice. 9.1, 9.2 enough this. I told you it is enough for you in this chapter. So you can see if you want more questions this like this. Already I have done where in TS Polyset. Minimum 20 questions I did it. You practice it. It will be repeated like this. They are asking here OP. They are asking radius. Here he is asking AP now. Next question they are asking OP. Next question they are asking OA. That value will be changed. That's it. But formula will be as it is. Here they are asking POA. Sometimes they are asking this value. Sometimes they are asking this value. So this is the way you see that question you can understand now. Now I enjoyed this today my class. You should also enjoy with my class. And I suggest you have to share these videos to your friends and give good comments to us to encourage purpose further. Because my best of my knowledge I am discussing on the board for your sake of future. So my friends, practice well. Now watch the videos. Keen observation up to end of the video. Till then, bye bye.